Hey guys, welcome to Tech tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to share Spotify Wrap on Instagram story. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now to share your Spotify Wrap on your Instagram story, you'll just need to head onto the Spotify app for that. So once you're already onto the Spotify app, you should be able to see a wrap option in there. So you'll just have to click onto the wrap, and then right after you should see the Your 2023 wrap in there. So you could unwrap your listening highlights for that. So you'll just need to view onto all of it, and right after, once you're already onto its last part, then you should be able to see a share button for that. You'll have to click onto the share button, and then you should be able to see some options in there like stories, Instagram, or Messenger feed, Facebook, or Twitter, Messenger, or you could download this. You'll just have to click onto Instagram for that to share this onto your Instagram. So this will open your Instagram app. You'll just have to click onto open to go ahead and try to share it directly. And that's just basically it onto sharing your Spotify wrap on Instagram story. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.